Hello Momshies! Welcome to this vlog wherein I'm gonna show you how we clean this 10-year-old oven and sobrang need niya ng makeover. I'm gonna use this formula that I found on the internet. All it needs is a 1/4 cup of sukang puti or white vinegar. Any brand will do. And also 1/4 cup of any dishwashing liquid that you have available at home. And gagawa tayo ng paste using a baking soda, which we're going to use 1 cup naman ng baking soda for this formula. And we're just gonna mix it all up para magkaroon ng foamy na paste na we're going to leave on our oven before we clean it out. And now we're just going to put our solution on our dirty oven and let it sit until it dries up. So ilalagay natin siya sa lahat. Hindi pa muna tayo mag-i-scrub mga momshies ha. Ilalagay lang natin siya everywhere na we want it to be clean. At patuyuin natin pati yung mga parts ng ating oven. Leave it there. The baking soda and soap solution. Leave it there for a few hours and come back, clean it later. Ayan, magdadry talaga siya guys. Parang nagdadry yung texture niya. So that's when you know it's working. Nagda-dry up siya. Ayan.
A few moments later.
Ito na, ang most awaited part of my day. I can finally clean the oven. Ayan. Ayan, as you can see, nag-dry up na siya, no? I wanted to see if effective ba yung na-google ko na formula. So, meron tayong separate vlog for the tutorial kung paano maglinis ng maduming oven. So, ayan. I'm so excited. Ayan, medyo dried na siya. So, according sa tutorial, ang next step is tanggalin yung mga nag-dry na baking soda using a sponge or something like this. Sponge and then wet cloth na, wet fiber cloth. So we're gonna do that right now. Let's do it. Let's do it together. So yung first thing na ginawa ko is I'll scrape yung mga naging solid parts niya and ilalagay ko siya dito sa ating palanggana. Yung mga solid parts na yon, nakukuha na rin niya yung ibang mga grease. So ini-scrape off ko pa lang siya mga moms. Hindi pa talaga tayo nag-brush or nagkukudkod sa ating oven. Just taking off all the baking soda that's there. And as you can see, it's taking out the dirt with it as well. Nakakatuwa, di ba? This is so satisfying, mga momshies. You have no idea. Now, the next step is just to use the foam with a scrubby side to clear it all out. And the next part after that is just microfiber cloth or any regular wet cloth na you could use to remove all the remaining baking soda inside. And you will see na matatanggal na rin talaga yung mga naipon doon. In my case, since this is a 10-year-old oven, talagang it needs extra good powers, mga moms. Okay, now that natanggal na natin yung natuyong baking soda, going with a sponge like this, sobrang wala ng effort pagtanggal ng mga brown sa loob. And sobrang satisfying niya. How I wish mapasok ko yung video sa ilalim kasi sa taas niya is all brown. So, isang ganun ko lang, nag-silver na agad siya. I want to show you sana. Try natin ha. Nakikita niyo ba? Ayan. So, yan yung ating inside ng oven. So, Momshies, we're finally done cleaning the oven. This is how it looks like right now. So, ito, in-scrub ko na yan sa labas. And here, our 10-year-old oven is finally clean. Ayan. So, this is the result. The after. Baking soda and vinegar. I really like it. Dito, hindi na siya brown. Medyo silver na siya dyan. And lalo na dito. Ayan. So happy with this result. Ayan. The only thing is, after mo siyang ibabad and tinanggal mo yung nanigas na baking soda, yung pag-i-scrub mo sa iyong bacon, sa iyong oven, will depend on gaano karami yung dumi niya. And since this oven has been with us for so long, binata pa si Dad, so ayun, maraming kailangan tanggalin. So I use a steel na ganito. Something like this. Steel scrub, stainless steel scrub to scrub on the inside. Dahil sa napakadami naming na ipon, na dumi dito, I have to use something like this. Pero kung if yung oven mo is hindi naman ganun kadumi, pwede naman na kahit yung ano lang, pagtanggal lang, kahit na sponge na lang, natatanggal na siya mag-isa. So since wala pa tong makeover ever since siguro nabili to, I had to do this extra step. But look at it, I'm so happy ng result niya. Sobrang linis na and I am so happy. So after ng sponge, basahan na wet and then basahan na tuyo. Yun lang. And then patuyuin mo siya muna sa labas kasi may mga tutulo-tulo pa dito. Kaya may basahan dito. May tutulo pa na parang mantika. Ayan. So patuyuin niyo muna siya ng matagal bago niyo siya gamitin. Kasi yung mga naiwan, tutulo pa yan. Okay. That's it. Our new oven.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. The feeling is all gone. The feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my...
So, moms, usually, pag nag-reprito, ito yung nangyayari sa nag-grease siya. Na siyang scrape, mabilis na mawawala yan. Hindi mo na kailangang magkudkod at magbali ng likod.